Bringing to your view trending news updates from NaijaNews TV. Nigerians decry corruption yet defend corrupt leaders, says EFCC chairman. APC berate Obi over Yahoo Boys remark. Borno government asked to spend 2.7 million naira daily on fueling generators, 2 billion naira on generator purchase in 2025. Now the news in detail. Chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, Ola Olukoyede, has expressed concern over Nigerians' contradictory stance on corruption, noting that while many condemn the issue, they also rally behind corrupt leaders when they face prosecution. Olukoyede made this remark on Friday in Abuja during a visit by officials of the Center for Crisis Communication, CCC, led by the Director of its Board of Trustees, Chris Olukolade. The EFCC boss emphasized that corruption and financial crimes remain significant obstacles to Nigeria's development and that tackling them requires collective responsibility. He stressed that progress is not solely the government's responsibility but also the citizens, emphasizing that the fight against corruption must be a collective effort. According to him, the country must move forward if Nigerians collectively resolve to uphold integrity. However, the EFCC chairman reiterated his agency's commitment to fighting corruption within its limit of the law, stating that the commission will work tirelessly to uphold justice. In other news, the All Progressive Congress has berated the Labour Party presidential candidate in the 2023 election, Peter Obi, over his recent attack on the presidency, saying he's playing the role of an irresponsible opposition. However, Obi last week claimed that there were more Yahoo boys in President Bola Tinubu's government who were turning Nigeria into a crime scene than young Nigerians being arrested for the same financial malpractice. The former Anambra State governor disclosed this in a keynote address he delivered as a guest speaker at the 4th graduation ceremony of Nexford University. Obi further stressed that Nigeria was at the mercy of corrupt officials feeding from the government. Reacting in an interview with Saturday Punch, the National Publicity Director of the APC, Bala Ibrahim, said he, like many reasonable Nigerians, was disappointed in Obi's wild and unsubstantiated allegation. Ibrahim also expressed concerns that the LP chieftain conduct doesn't depict a leader who was serious about ruling the country, stating that Obi and LP simply don't understand the meaning of opposition. In a recent development, a review of Borno State approved 2025 budget by several reporters revealed that the government house has allocated 1 billion naira for generator fuel in the upcoming fiscal year. This breaks down to approximately 83.3 million naira per month and 2.7 million naira daily, based on a 30-day month. Additionally, assuming fuel costs 1,000 naira per litre, this budget implies a daily consumption of 2,777 litres of fuel. This development comes as the government has allocated 2 billion naira for the purchase of power generator sets for the government house. Additionally, 800 million naira has been earmarked for the fueling motor vehicles in the 2025 fiscal year. Further breakdowns of the budget reveal that 400 million naira is allocated for refreshment and meals, while honorarium and sitting allowances are expected to cost 500 million naira. Another 400 million naira has been set aside for motor vehicle within the government house. The Borno State government plans to spend 400 million naira on office furnitures and fittings, while an additional 50 million naira is allocated for canteen and kitchen equipment. We'll continue to monitor the story for more news updates, but please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.